Our Bozhi 7 will get future OTA updates to level up even more with our Momenta R7 RL World model. Get hyped for it. What's up guys, I'm Cao Xudong, CEO of Momenta. On March 29th, the Bozhi 7 officially drops. Super hyped to be here in Beijing today, with you guys, to test drive this full scenario smart ADAS. The Bozhi 7 is a flagship collab between GAC Toyota and Momenta. It packs Toyota's legendary safety standards. Plus, it integrates millions of miles of hardcore safety testing from both sides. Together, we built the Bozhi 7 Smart EV flagship. With billions of miles of data, we filtered out millions of golden miles. It's not just copying humans. We use this data to let the AI explore on its own. If it finds a better driving
we
reinforce it. If it drives poorly, we penalize it. That's the magic of reinforcement learning. It can totally match human drivers, or even completely outperform us. Watch this. We're entering a crazy congested road. Look at this car. Just micro-adjusting to the left to yield, leaving plenty of space on the side. Check out this street. It's basically like one of those classic Beijing Hutongs, yeah, zero lane markings here. Wrong way bikes coming at us. Cars parked illegally on both sides. In these intense narrow road scenarios, it keeps the driving highly efficient, while politely yielding to others. Plus this construction makes it super sketchy and tough, but our Bozhi 7 handles it like an absolute boss. Gives you serious peace of mind. Dealing with tight parking spots. Even with the Bozhi 7's wide body, the autopark nails it flawlessly. Legit impressive. After today's real-world test, our Bozhi 7, running Momenta's R6 RL model, proved to be incredibly safe and chill, super comfy, buttery smooth, and efficient. We'll drop future OTA updates to upgrade it to our Momenta R7 RL World model. Our smart ADAS is gonna level up drastically. Get hyped for it. Where there's a road, there's Toyota's flagship AI. Come experience it for yourself.